Oh, maganda to. Kano siya? Ano ka? 494,640. I think may discount yun or tax free, pero kung hindi 554,780. Hello, I'm at Higashiura town and I happen to pass by this motor shop, so medyo interest to ngayon P3rd, so let's try to check kung ano mga klase ng motor na meron sila. Actually, there are a lot of varieties, a lot of brands like Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki, and Kawasaki. So let's try to check, meron pa yatang iba. Okay, so tingnan natin kung hindi tayo pagbabawalan ng mag-video. So I'll try to shoot as much as I can. Okay, so ito yung facade nung shop. Meron silang service factory dun sa dulo and they have huge parking. Try natin lapitan yung mga motor. Ayan, actually medyo maaraw, mainit ngayon. Nakikita nyo yung shadow ko. Ayan. So, ito yung mga klase ng motor na meron dito sa Japan. I don't think yung iba dito is meron akong nakita sa Philippines. Yan din yung mga price nila and looks nice. I won't really know which one is good or better. Ito Honda, ano to? PCX 125. Parang maganda siya. How would I read? Okay, so mukhang 125 displacement. Pero, hindi ko na mabasa. Anyway, let's just see the others. Dito, from this side. Ayun din. Same. And this one, Ninja 400. This is nice. What is this? PCX 150. So, merong kanina, PCX 125. Ito, PCX 150. This one, ganda. Ninja 400. Okay. Medyo dikit yung parking ng isa eh. Hindi natin masyadong makita sa gilid. Oh, maganda to. Kano siya? Wala ka? 494,640. I think may discount yun or tax free, pero kung hindi 554,780. And this one is Ninja 250R Kawasaki. So does it mean 250 displacement? This one, motocross ba to? Yan. Tricker F1. Ito naman, ano nga ito? Yamaha TW225E. Ito naman ay FTR 223. Medyo mura to, 105. Ito mga nasa labas, mga naka-sale daw. So, yung nasa loob. Tingnan natin kung pwede.